Yo guys, Rizcat here, doing a bike check on my 2018 caliber shadownut. As you can see, it's been very upgraded. So this is the specs. Recon RL forks, 130mm travel, black series. Michelin 34 downhill tyres, been out nearly 7 months. I've got myself a nice 180 Hope floating rotor in red. Painted the axle red. Up in the cockpit I have Hope SL grips, SRAM level T brakes, paired with nice ramful bars in gold, Hope stem and Hope spacers. Got a X Ascend dropper, brand X, SRAM SX 12 speed shifter. Workshop one it are but custom because I spray painted it chrome, it's a bit more silver. Hope seat clamp, DMR oil seat, which I highly recommend. This is very comfy. So you can see my dropper works very well. I've got nuclear fires and pedals, which don't even need greasing yet. Proper sharp if you catch your shins. 12 speed derailleur with some custom red jockey wheels, ceramic bearings and neo bolts. A normal 12 speed chain along with the cassette. And then finally the normal SRAM centerline brakes, but I'm going to get new ones because they're bad to Hope ones. So that's it guys. If anyone has any upgrades or comments on what you think I should do to my bike, comment down below. Bye!